Okay, welcome back again. Justin, Tyler, Fisher Auto in Boulder, Colorado. Hey, today we're going to talk about something fun.
Yeah.
Perfect time of year when we're launching this in the springtime, because it has to do with air conditioning, fresh air, taking care of that musty smell that develops over time, and what the importance of your recycle button is, and when to use it, and all that fun stuff. So Justin's going to talk to us about that, so take it away, my good man.
All right.
We'll go from there.
So we'll be doing everything in this 2021 Type R Anniversary Edition, so come on inside. All right, so summertime's coming. It's going to be hot in your car when you get in it. What we want to do is normally you can just press the auto button. It's on low. Now when it's on the low setting, you're going to notice that your recirculation is clicked on. So basically that's recycling the air that's in the vehicle, and it's not getting any fresh air from the intake that's on the cowling. So what that'll do is it cools the air faster. It also gets the moisture out of the air, and it'll also do it on the high setting as well. So those are the only two times you're going to want to use that recirc, to get the air as cold as possible or to get the air as warm as possible in a fast fashion. What'll happen with the air conditioning system is it does remove moisture from the air, and when that happens, what you'll notice we get a lot of is people saying their car is leaking some sort of fluid. What that fluid actually is water. There is an evaporator drain tube that's underneath your vehicle, and that's how that water escapes. So some of that water will not escape, and it'll over time cause a musty kind of smell. And to get rid of that, we have a product here in the dealership that you can come see. I'm not going to tell you what it is, but you can come see us. We can spray it in your fresh air intake, and what that'll do is it goes in there and eliminates that odor. We can also put it on a fresh new cabin filter for you. It's super quick, super easy. So again, if you want to manually control your system, you can. Just turn it on. You can figure out what temperature you want to go to here. Notice that the recirc button's not on. If you want the button on, you can put it on yourself. I don't recommend doing it unless it's super cold or super hot. So that's that for that.
Okay, there's the recap of the recirculation button, fresh air, air conditioning, and all that kind of stuff. Again, we want to remind you that if you find yourself using the air conditioning system a lot in the summertime, you definitely want to, one thing you forgot to mention that's important, is if you can think about it, a mile or two away from when you're going to be home and parking, turn off the air conditioning but leave the fan on. It dries up that moisture on the filter system and the pan that's inside the glove box, and that will help dry up that musty smell and kind of extend it. Will it fully take care of it? No. Will we always remember to shut it off? No. But just a couple of tips that you can remember. Mile or two away from the home, shut the AC system off, leave the fan on. It helps dry that stuff off. And the stuff that you were talking about earlier, we will tell you, it's called Friggish Fresh, and we sell it here at the store. But again, we'd be glad to take care of you here at Fisher Auto in Boulder and take care of that smell for you, and you can periodically spray that stuff in your system. Sounds good. Thank you so much, sir.
Yeah, thank you.
Good job, and we'll see you next time. Bye-bye.